In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF invoices for Shopify store. Start by opening the Shopify App Store and searching for PDF invoice apps. Look for apps that have good reviews and the features you need. Popular choices include Order Printer Pro, Invoice Hero, and Vifi PDF Invoice. Take a moment to read the descriptions and recent reviews to confirm the app supports the formatting and automation you want. And check whether there's a free trial so you can evaluate it before committing. Once you pick an app, click Install and follow the setup instructions provided by that app. Most apps will ask you to connect the app to your store, grant a few permissions, and confirm which orders or order statuses should trigger invoice generation. Follow each prompt carefully and keep an eye out for any required settings like time zone or default language. If there's an initial sample or demo invoice shown, use it to verify the connection worked. Next, customize the invoice template to reflect your brand. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, and add to any necessary business information like your registered name, address, tax IDs, and contact lines. Make sure the logo is a high-resolution file so it looks crisp on the PDF. Adjust fonts, spacing, and which order details appear. Line items, taxes, shipping, and payment method are common fields. Some apps let you add terms and conditions or a footer for return policies. Include those if they are relevant to your customers. After your template looks right, set up automation so invoices are generated without manual work. Decide whether invoices should be attached to the order confirmation email, included as a downloadable link, or shown on the order thank you page. Configure the trigger that matches your workflow. Automatic sending. When an order is placed, often works best for most stores. Test the automation with a sample order to confirm the PDF arrives as expected and displays correctly across devices. Finally, know how to manually create and download invoices when you need to handle individual orders. Use the app's interface to search for a specific order, make any necessary adjustments to the invoice, and download the PDF directly. This is useful for refunds, wholesale orders, or when a customer requests a reissued document. Keep a habit of checking a few recently generated invoices after setup to ensure formatting and automation remain consistent as you update products or settings.